मैं अमित कुमार एडी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स टेक्नोलॉजी प्राइवेट लिमिटेड से यहाँ पर मेरे साथ हैं मिस्टर डेंगर जो कि मलावी से आए हैं यहाँ पर कोर्स करने के लिए। ये ऑलरेडी टेक्नीशियन है, तो मैं इनसे आपको मिलवाना चाहता हूँ। तो मिस्टर डेंगर, tell yourself.
Okay, my name is Duncan from Malawi. I'm a technician working with Radio Exchange. I've come here to do the training into laptops and desktop repairs, as well as TV and printers. As you can see that Chiptronics is a well-known company here in India, and they've got very good, reputable trainers. I've also came here to purchase some of their machines and some of the tools and spare parts for these products like TVs, laptops and desktops, as well as printers as well. So I've come here, as you can see, Chiptronics and many things, and also working with other branded products. Myself, I've purchased the BJ machine for the laptops, the bonding machine for the TVs, as well as some parts and spare parts for the desktop and printers.
Okay. So Duncan, which machine you purchased?
Okay, I purchased the remote.
Let's see the machines. Let's see the machines. Okay, this machine.
This is the machine.
You purchased?
Purchased this machine for remoting, for the TVs, LEDs machine.
This bonding machine.
This one.
Okay.
And also purchased the BGA machine.
Okay, here what we will see.
Here I will show you the BGA machine.
Yeah. Okay, have you purchased?
We've purchased that one.
Okay.
Let me show you what we purchased for the laptops.
Come. This machine?
Yeah, we purchased this machine.
This is just
Okay, which machine is this?
man.
The BGA machine.
Okay. It is used for a laptop repairing.
Yeah, this one
Any
for
BGIC?
the laptop.
Okay. So have you learned all the tools and machine,
everything.
uses of machine?
The use of the machine, revolving. I purchased this fully automatic BGA machine for the laptop and motherboards for laptops.
BGIC.
BGAC.
We can fix the BGIC, revolve the BGIC by this machine.
Yes.
Okay. So for the our training center. Okay. Now, which machine you purchased as well your BG machine and like that DC supply? Have you purchased DC supply?
I've purchased the BGA machine as well as the DC power supply and the oscilloscope.
Okay,
So,
let's see.
Let's see the oscilloscope.
You purchased this one?
This one, I've purchased this one, the oscilloscope.
Okay.
As you can see, it has all the parts
Okay.
for
100 megahertz. It is a capacity 100 megahertz. Okay.
100 megahertz.
Okay. And this one?
And I've purchased this one also,
Okay,
the
okay.
DC power supply.
DC power supply. Okay.
4 digit.
Okay.
And
Okay.
Let's see the service center. Come. This one. This is the service center. Now,
this is assembling area.
This is assembling area. Okay.
assembling area, you can see the way they're doing everything, servicing, assembling together. You can see. Let's go forward to see factory.
Okay. This machine you purchased?
This is one of the machines which I've just purchased for the LED plasma, as you can see.
Bonding machine.
Bonding machine.
Okay. You purchased this bonding machine. Okay.
This one.
This will fix the lines and other problems of LED. Okay.
As you can see, this one is one of my trainer, the one who taught me how to use this machine and everything to do with this technology. This is the machine. This is the trainer, Mr. Amit.
Okay, come. So, Duncan, how was your training?
My training was quite a good one, very good, 100%. I've done the practicals
Okay.
for laptops as well as the desktop.
Okay.
And also I've done the training for the printers, which fixes almost all the problem with the printers. The laptop is 100%.
Okay. So, have you learned the schematic diagram?
We've learned the schematic diagrams of almost three-quarter of the laptops.
Okay.
I know everything on the schematic diagrams.
Okay. So, schematic diagram, you learn. You are satisfied with the training. Have you recommended the Chiptronics?
I can commend Chiptronics on the training for the way they do practically as well as theory. They do just 100%. I'm pretty sure I'm having full training and the technical know-how of the repair. I have it 100%. There's no doubt about it.
Okay. So how was the support, after finishing the course and after purchasing the machine, how is the support by this Chiptronics and Video Intelligence?
Video Intelligence and Chiptronics, they are really quiet because I finished my training.
Okay.
Then the accommodation, the hospitality which they have given me is just good enough that they don't let anyone down. Whether you have a problem, they are always there. They communicate, they support everywhere. They have online support in terms of the machine. You've got Amit Sir, who is just brilliant in the teaching of the laptops. You've got Anand Sir, who is also 100% on desktop and printers. So I would fully support Chiptronics, and I would recommend to everyone out there.
So as a student, you are fully satisfied, and you recommended for the Chiptronics Institute for the laptop repairing and other courses.
I recommend Chiptronics.
Okay.
On laptop, desktop, as well as printers.
Okay.
And I'll just add up with what I've learned on the LED TVs. Chiptronics is the best.
Okay. So thank you, Mr. Rangan.
Thank you very much.
Rangan, your course is finished. You are going to your hometown. So few words for the electronics.
Okay, I recommend Chiptronics, as I said already. And this is the team which has trained me to the high most. So I should say thank you to Chiptronics, the team, the institute, and to everyone.